Hi everyone, it's Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm so excited to show you how to make this Sri Lankan style egg curry. So I first had this curry many years ago at my in-laws house, and it's been one of my favorite curries ever since. So what makes this curry extra special is the deep fried eggs. So it's nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and it's just swimming in this delicious spicy curry sauce. So if you want to learn how to make my mother-in-law's special egg curry, then keep watching and let's get cooking. And now we're all finished, and this is my favorite part, which is eating it. So I'm just gonna serve myself. And I've just got some steamed basmati rice. I'm gonna get heaps of this sauce, nice oniony sauce. Oh, I can't wait. I love the skin, look at it. It's still holding on. Oh, come on. So the first thing when you bite into the egg is the skin. It's just so, I can't explain it. It's just got this texture that's just amazing. It soaks up all the sauce. The sauce is beautifully creamy. It's slightly sweet as well with the addition of the tomatoes and the coconut milk, but it's also got a kick as well because I like it with lots of chili. So you've got spicy, you've got sweet, you've got creaminess. Oh, I just love it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make this Sri Lankan style egg curry. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more recipes like this, and also follow me on my socials on Instagram, Facebook, and on my cooking blog peckishlulu.com. If you decide to make this recipe, don't forget to tag me. I love to see it, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Stay peckish!